Hello friends, I am making this video specially for our new mom. Right now, as the whole world is coping with such an epidemic situation, I thought it would be a good idea to make a video on newborn baby care essentials. Since I recently gave birth to a baby boy, so I can relate to your situation too. I will try to cover most of the questions needed and stuff for the baby. So now, without any further delay, let's talk about the baby.
So it's always better to buy some set of outfit, especially during this pandemic situation. So the first one that I'm showing you today is the snap in outfit. So in the snap in outfit, you'll find the button in the front, and it's really good for new mamas. So there will be less chance of any accident. The other one is here is the body suit. So in the body suit, you'll find the button at the down. Here is the third kind of bodysuit. It's called the jumpsuit. In the jumpsuit, you'll find the bottom part, and it's good too. So here are three outfits that you can opt on. Now I am showing you another kind of outfit that you can choose. This is called the swaddle, and the one that I am showing you right now is the muslin swaddle. It's super soft for baby because our baby is really fragile, and it's really soft, so it can avoid any kind of rashes, and it really gives your baby a feeling that they are in the mama's warm. I'll show you. You can see it's really good. And this one is the fur blanket. It's the swaddle fur blanket, and it's really easy. You just need to put your baby inside and it's done. Nothing to worry about. So these all are the outfits. So this is some extra baby care items. So the first one is burp and bib set. They are super soft and absorbent and can easily absorb any milk tribbles or whatever comes in your way. The other thing that I am showing you is the cap. I have two different sizes. You can choose accordingly. The third one is the mittens. It's really useful to avoid any face scratches.
So here is the next baby essential in our list, that is baby nursery. But to buy a baby nursery for everyone may not comes under budget. So I would like to suggest few of the nursery essentials that really works well for me. Here are the few. So these are the few nursery essentials that work pretty well for me. You can also give it a try, or you can also make your own mattress at home if you find something relevant to this item. So this is all about nursery. So the third thing I want to tell you about is formula. Mommies, it's very important to understand that our body takes time to realize that there is a requirement of milk supply. Also, if your baby keeps on crying after feeding, it's a clear indication that the breast milk is not sufficient for them. So you must keep some formulas, especially in this lockdown situation. Now, which formula you want to give to your baby is completely upon you and your consultant doctor. I have tried similar formula and it didn't give me any noticeable change for my baby. Coming with baby milk comes the baby bottle. Now again, it's your choice to buy which brand, but I will recommend you to buy an anti-colic bottles because it prevents any intake of air while feeding, and infant baby tends to speed up a lot. So this kind of bottle are designed specifically to prevent such speed up. There are many brands. I will list down few of them in the description below. So the next item in my list is diaper. I will make a separate video on diaper, but for now the best advice that I could give you is always buy one size bigger for baby, as baby tends to get rashes very easily. Next of diaper is diaper wipes. It is not necessary to spend money on it. You can simply use the cotton balls in place of wipes. Just moist it and with little water And also doctor doesn't recommend to use wipes, but if you are not really comfortable to use the cotton balls, the best thing you can do is rely on water wipes in place of any other wipes, because it contains the least amount of alcohol. So the next essential that I want to talk about is first aid kit. These are the small things that you don't realize you need it initially, but can really turn out important sometimes. So this is my first aid kit. I'll show you what all items I kept in my first aid kit. So the first item I am showing you is the nasal aspirator. Okay, so the nasal aspirator is used for baby just to unclog any nose pores, because baby tends to get cough and cold very easily. I have two variants of that. So this is also can be used as a nasal aspirator. The other thing here is the gripe water. I have consulted my doctor before giving it to my baby. So gripe water is used to ease any discomfort or dizziness in baby. This is the baby thermometer. So I also have the other kind of. This one is the digital one. So there are two, and a few supplement. This is the electrolyte powder. I have a sample of that, and the saline wipes. Just like that you can make your own. And this is the oral pain relief. So my child is 5 plus month, so I can give this kind of thing, but it's better you can consult your doctor before giving it. So likewise I have created my grooming kit for baby. So the first thing here is the bud paste. It's also called as diaper rash cream. It's really good, that's why I'm using it. These are the small things that you can see simply. There is oil, shampoo, and then what you call body lotion, comb, and yes, this is a small kit for it. I use for baby. There you can see the nail clipper. I haven't bought a separate one. I had this before. I find it pretty and I can use it for my baby. So that's the thing that you need for a baby. There are a few other items that I added in this list. This is not the necessary item for everyone, but you can have a look. So the first item in this list is the breast pump. Now breast pump is something that can really turn out a best purchase. Breast pump is good for working mother or someone who is really good in milk production. It is also found out that breast pump may help to stimulate lactation in women. And there are different brands that you can opt for. The one that I am using is of Medela, and I got it from my insurance provider. So the second item that I want to talk about is baby monitor. This is an excellent product for parents. It gives a peace of mind, especially when you are engaged in work. You can easily monitor your baby activity without being present all the time. Since my child started turning and crawling, I always have to be alarmed. But this baby monitor really is my work, and I can be in the kitchen or any other place without any worry, as my child will always be in front of my eye. It also has a night vision, so you can simply take a look. So the third item that I want to talk about is the diaper bag. A diaper bag can really ease off work. Baby items can sometimes turns out very confusing. Having a separate baby diaper can really help to put all the baby related items in one place, especially when you have to go for doctor visit. The fourth item that I want to talk about is diaper changing pad. This is also very useful. You can use to avoid any leakage and can help to keep the baby bed clean. Now the last item that I want to talk about is about stroller. Now this is a must item for people who is living outside India. Stroller and car seat is mandatory where I live, but it is totally an optional item for Indian living in their motherland. I have already made a video explaining about stroller. Please do check it. And this is all about the baby care essential. I hope I am useful for you. If you have any question related to baby, please comment me and ask. I will try to cover all your doubts, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.